Hi, I'm one of your friendly Sicard service advisors here today to help you with some basic troubleshooting items that we get lots of calls about every year. Every spring, the main call that we get is, I don't have hot water in my unit. So what we've done for you is we've recruited our favorite technical supervisor with 20 years of experience to demonstrate some of these items for you.
So here we are at a Jayco Whitehawk 29, and we're going to go over the water heater, and we'll just demonstrate a few things to look for on your water heater. So this is your drain for the water heater. This here's your gas valve with your burner tube. And sometimes what will happen in the springtime and in winter, spiders can get in here and build nests, and your water heater will not ignite on propane. If you have a compressor with some compressed air, just blow that line out and then retry it. So on this particular layout of this Jayco, our water heater and water pump are located underneath the sink. What we have here is the water pump sitting right in the front. A common concern we have is with it not priming. So what you want to make sure is that you have 1/3 of a tank of fresh water, and that your pickup valve for your winterizing hose is in the on position, so it will pump from the tank. So for our water heater, if we have a concern with it either just getting lukewarm water at the taps or not getting hot water at all, at the back of the water heater you'll see a couple bypass valves. Those valves are turned for when winterizing. What you want to do is make sure that those valves are turned. If you're not getting any hot water at this point, turn them in line with the line and then give that a try and see if you're getting hot water.